honored to be your anchor for today's morning assembly. As we begin this new journey together, let us seek guidance and strength through the power of prayer. Let the melody of our school band team uplift our spirits and set a positive tone for the day.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and heritage, culture, language, and religion.
My name is Steven Vaidya from class 10 and is standing here in front of you to deliver the topics and lines of last 24 hours. So, firstly beginning with some international news. South Korea launches its second military spy satellite and emit and mostly with North Korea. Iran foreign minister accuses US of giving Israel green light to attack on states in Syria. Russians lead a real protest after a dam burst and homes flooded humanitarian.
We have seen it throughout the history and it is happening now too. Good morning to each and everyone present here in this morning assembly. I am Narayan Rai of class 10A. Today I am standing here to deliver a short speech on the topic changing human sleep time. Things about how our ancestors lived compared to us today. Back then, life was simpler, survival was tough, and communication was limited. But now, things have changed. Technology has skyrocketed, making our lives easier in many ways. We can talk to someone on the other side of the world in seconds. But with all this advancement, we also change emotionally and
Children are present here in this morning assembly. Today's importance of the day is April 9th is the 99th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 266 days remain until the end of the year. On this day in 1430, Henry V becomes the King of England at Westminster Abbey. On this day in 1833, the first American tax-supported public library was opened in New Hampshire. On this day in 1865, Robert E. Lee surrenders the Army of Northern Virginia to USS Grant, effectively ending the
Morning everyone. Today's song of the day is Don't Let Others' Words Affect You. Remember, mockery says more about the mocker.
You won't be able to change your life unless you change something daily what is happening in your life. The new academic year we have begun with so much of enthusiasm, determination, aspirations, hopes and dreams. Every year is that way. We begin with a lot of positive thoughts and inspiration. But then as the days go by, we lose track of what we have promised ourselves. We fall back into our lethargic, indifferent, lazy attitude, daily routine behavior. And that's where we should be very careful. Beginning of the academic year, I'm very sure some of you, very few of you, might have thought if I had prepared a bit more last year, my percentage or my overall performances would have been better. But then, over the days, due to various reasons, our hard work was lacking, our determination was not there. On account of all those reasons, we fell short of our expectation. Even I saw a few good students, very good students, but then their overall performance was just the minimum. And that's why children, once you decide to get something or determined to achieve something, you should never give up on that. Maybe there can be friends who are not very interested in studies or other academic and extracurricular activities, but then you as an individual do not go by what you can say. You have your own dreams, you have your own aspirations, you have your own goals to achieve. So it all depends on how you decide what you want in life.
for a wonderful performance. And now, let's stand together for the pledge, a final commitment to spend our time wisely and make the most of every opportunity. So here is Preeti to lead us with the pledge. Yes, my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage, culture, language and religions. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. It's a duty, but it has some significance in its past. To know its importance, I would like to call Mahima to deliver the importance of today's day in history.
Good morning everyone, present here in this morning assembly. Today I am standing here to read out the importance of today's day in history. April 10th is the 100th day in the Gregorian calendar. 266 days left for the end of the year. On this day in 1815, Australia declared war on the Kingdom of Nepal. In 1825, first water in Hawaii opened. In 1827, George Canning became the British Prime
Good morning everyone present in this morning assembly. I, Meenakshi of class 10A, standing in front of you to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. Maldivian politician Mariam Sidna apologized after her disrespectful post on Indian flag. US energy output dips by 30 gigawatts during total solar eclipse. Pentagon rises alarm US could lose space race to India. Secondly, here are some national news. Indian student found dead in US. Hyderabad family alleges ransom call days before death. MNS declares unconditional support to BJP-Sena NCP alliance in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Last but not least, here are some sports news. T20 World Cup leader after record 8 IPL century, Virat Kohli moved up 5 spots to number 3.
Good morning each and everyone. My name is Sinan Gopal from class 10A and today I am standing in front of you to say a few words on the topic, the importance of teamwork. The teamwork is the cornerstone of success in various aspects of life. It's the concept of individuals with diverse skills, knowledge and breakthroughs collaborating to achieve a common goal. One of the key advantages to achieve success is sharing the responsibilities. Teamwork also prefers creativity and innovation. Moreover, teamwork enhances interpersonal skills. It requires communication, active listening and conflict resolutions, which are essential life.
I am level 4 class. Today is taking for you or to say 5 minutes interesting facts about memories. Fact number 1. It is impossible for most of the people to leave their own elbow. Fact number 2. Human teeth are only part of our body that cannot heal themselves. Fact number 3. Wearing headphones for just an hour would increase the bacteria in our ear by 700 times.
Good morning everyone. Today quote of the day is, the harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you achieve it. Thank you. Thank my classmates for the efforts. Now, I would like to call our respected principal, Father Augustine, to address us.
We should never be going down in academic excellence. That means we work hard, whatever capability we have to make use of it to the maximum. And at the end of the year, we find out how much we have learned. That's why we never compromise on academic excellence. In all subjects, we try to excel and try to score as much percentage as possible. I always used to tell you, it's not about the rank that matters, it's about the percentage. That I keep up the percentage, we try to improve the percentage that we have. And therefore, we never compromise on academic excellence. And very often students think that academic study alone is quality of life. That's not the fact actually. Together with our academic excellence, we should always try to learn, be part of other things. It should not be one-sided learning as a student. That means what? That means whatever opportunities you get in the school, you should try to make use of it.
Good morning, respected sisters, esteemed teaching and non-teaching staff, and my fellow scholars. I am Chandra Ashia of 10th and I am honored to be your host of today's morning assembly. If not now, then never. That's not postponed to tomorrow, what can be done today. Today, our theme revolves around the essence of extracurricular activities. It's crucial to master the art of managing our time effectively to achieve success in all areas of our lives. And now, to kickstart our morning assembly, I invite the talented band team to lead us in the morning prayer, reminding us of the significance of starting our day with a moment of reflection and gratitude.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of each rich and variety, culture, language,
Everyone, good morning to one and all present here in this morning assembly. I am Sriti Pai from class 10A standing here to deliver the importance of today's day in history. According to the Gregorian calendar, 12 April is the 102nd day of the year and 263 days remain after the end of the year. On this day in 1990, British Parliament passed their 48 hours world regular salary. On this day in 1991, the Nepalese Congress Party won the general election.
Once, there was a man sitting in hall, and in front of him was a lady sitting with a beautiful touch of flower on her hair. The man was generally allergic to the smell of the flower, and on seeing the flower, he started sneezing rapidly. After a while, he called the lady and asked her, "Could you please remove the flower from the allergic to it?" The lady replied, "That is okay, but what I'm having here is a plastic flower." On hearing this, the man sneezed smoothed out. Yes, our body reacts in a way in which our mind thinks. A very big good morning to my non-visitor. I'm Usman, and I'm here to down the fact that it has a different mind. So here you go. Without a feeling, there's no hormone. Without a hormone, there's no feeling. Your mind communicates with all the rest of your body. You are hormones. Ask yourself now, what's making you sleep focus on the star? It's because there is a cellular level communication between your mind and your body. There is stipulates the hormone called dopamine. All these hormones function well only when the nervous system is balanced. If it's unbalanced, it affects the endocrine system, which then suppresses the immune system, thus making our body vulnerable to disease.
Morning assembly. I am standing in front of you to deliver some strategies for effective time management. Create a schedule, establish deadlines, embrace technology, develop consistent routines, avoid distraction, avoid multitasking, set smart goals. That's all for this morning assembly. Thank you and have a nice day.
As we go about our day, let's keep these strategies in mind and strive to make the most of every moment. Now, let's stay updated with Neha as she brings us the latest news headlines, keeping us informed and aware of the world around us.
Everyone, today I am standing here to deliver the news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. 12 Indians arrested in UK visa raids from regulatory factories. Syrian endangered race new rule that tracks steep on US coast prevent collision. South Korea's Prime Minister and top presidential officials offer to resign after election review. Morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is the cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. Thank you.
I'd like to invite our esteemed sister, Sister Shirley, to share her wisdom and guidance with us as we among
Management is an art to the children. All of us are given 24 hours. But some make use of every moment. Some sleep away the time that is given to you. It is up to each one of us how you make use of your time. We see people coming up in life, leaders, leading the country, leading the society, leading the families, and leaders in your own school. How did they come to that? They have come because they have learned the art of time management and hard work. Without time management, hard work, commitment, you will not be able to